Okay, let's talk about tomorrow, and then I'll let you go on your own because we're actually going to have a rare day of reviewing for a quiz today. All right, the quiz is on the last 3 days, 8 questions, 32 points. There's going to be 4 algebra questions similar to this. And again, this is not it, but here you go. I'll tell you these 2 lines are parallel. I'll let you know that that's 6x minus 2. Maybe that's 4x plus 8. Solve for x. I'm just doing something real simple off the top of my head. What are you going to do to those 2? Set them equal to each other. Solve for x. Maybe plug it back in to find the angle you need. But also, too, want to point out, then you have to write a theorem. All right. And the only theorems I'm going to accept are the ones we've been writing in our reasons column. So what would be the theorem why you set them equal? Parallel lines imply what type of angles are these? Alternate interior angles congruent. I'm not going to accept anything else. Okay. So those are for the 4 algebra questions. 1 multiple choice, 2 proofs. One of them will be given. In the givens, it'll say these lines are parallel, prove something about the angles. And then the second one will be prove these lines are parallel. Now, if you add up all the questions, there's only 7. And I said there was 8. I don't know how to describe the last one. It's like a short answer type, all right, if anybody wants to know. Okay, it's a short answer type. Show your work a little bit, and that's it. Okay, so there are 8, not 7. Anything you want to ask about tomorrow? Okay, so here's what we're going to do today. I have a pretty comprehensive review starting on day 4 that you're going to work in your groups on. Before you go, though, fair warning, because I'm going to have at least 1 or 2 Chromebooks open on every group checking the answers on the answer key. When you get to the proofs, especially the first 2 proofs you do, 19 and 20, there's different versions. Don't freak out if mine doesn't match yours. Call me over and I'll check it. Because look, there's 16 angles in this proof. There's a lot of ways to get 1 and 16 congruent. A lot of different ways. So call me over if it doesn't match my version on Classroom. I'll check it and it'll probably be correct. All right, same thing with number 20. All right, when you have 16 angles in a proof, there's probably a couple different ways to get to your proof statement. Any questions about today? And then whatever you don't finish is homework, and I am checking it tomorrow before the quiz. And then again, one last reminder, no theorem sheets tomorrow in front of you. Okay, you get calculator, writing utensil, and if you want to bring in colored pencils to use, it's up to you. Go ahead. That's fine. Last call, any questions? Okay. All of you can, 1 or 2 of you, I don't care, but I need an answer key opened at every group. So I can't have you do 10 problems and not know if they're right or wrong. All right, so let's get going. If you want to call me over for the proofs, please do so. Hey, one last thing. I would never tell you to do, but try to keep that theorem sheet sneaked away because you don't have it tomorrow. If you need to bust it out to remember wording, that's fine, but try to keep it tucked away because you don't get it tomorrow either. So just get in that habit of not having it. All right, call me over if you need something.